Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to change BMW 1 Series rear brake pads, easy method. Jack the car, support it on stands, and remove the wheel to expose the brake caliper. Undo caliper bolts, pivot the caliper, and slide out the old pads. Clean the caliper and compress the piston with a brake tool. Fit new pads, reassemble, torque bolts, and lower the car before testing the brakes gently. Gather tools and prep parts before starting to save time and avoid interruptions. Use a torque wrench, caliper tool, socket set, and new pads that match your BMW 1 Series specifications. Clean the hub surface and inspect rotors for scoring or warping, replacing if necessary. Apply brake grease to pad backs and hardware, then compress the piston evenly. Refit components and torque to manufacturer specs, then perform a slow road test to bed the pads. Quick recommendation: if you like hands-free guidance while working, grab an Echo Dot smart speaker to play repair videos and set timers hands-free. It fills your garage with clear sound and helps you keep both hands on the task. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Address common issues proactively to keep the job safe and effective. If the caliper is seized, soak guide pins in penetrating oil and free them, or replace boots. Uneven wear may indicate warped rotors or stuck pistons requiring rotor resurfacing or replacement. If the parking brake is integrated, release it before removing pads to avoid damage. Always bleed the brakes if you open hydraulic lines and confirm firm pedal travel before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.